Welcome, engineers. Are you ready to transform your job search and unlock incredible career opportunities on LinkedIn? This comprehensive guide will show you exactly how to leverage the platform effectively. Many engineers often overlook the strategic power of LinkedIn, treating it merely as an online resume. However, with the right approach, it becomes a dynamic tool for career advancement. Our journey begins with optimizing your LinkedIn profile, ensuring it stands out to recruiters and industry leaders. A strong profile is your digital handshake. Your headline is crucial. It's often the first thing people see. Craft it to clearly state your current role, key skills, and career aspirations using relevant keywords like software engineer AI or ML specialist Python developer. Next, your summary should be a compelling narrative, not just a list of duties. Highlight your unique value proposition, career goals, and how your engineering skills solve real-world problems. In your experience section, go beyond job descriptions. Quantify your achievements with numbers and impact. For example, developed a new algorithm that improved processing efficiency by 25%. Now, let's shift our focus to building a robust professional network. Networking isn't just about collecting connections, it's about building meaningful relationships. Actively seek out recruiters specializing in engineering roles and connect with industry professionals in your target companies. Look for individuals whose work genuinely interests you. When sending connection requests, always personalize them. Mention a shared connection of a recent article they wrote or a specific project of theirs that impressed you. A simple template could be, "Hi name, I enjoyed your recent post on topic. As an engineer specializing in your area, I'd love to connect and learn more about your work at company." Finally, let's explore effective job search tactics to pinpoint your ideal engineering role. LinkedIn offers powerful tools to streamline this process. Utilize LinkedIn's advanced search filters to narrow down opportunities by location, industry, experience level, and specific engineering skills. This saves time and targets relevant listings. Set up job alerts for your desired engineering roles and companies. This ensures you're immediately notified when new positions matching your criteria are posted, giving you a competitive edge. Beyond applying, follow target companies that align with your career goals. This keeps you informed about their culture, projects, and new openings, demonstrating genuine interest during interviews. Remember, landing your dream engineering job on LinkedIn is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency in profile optimization, networking, and active searching is key. By implementing these strategies, you're not just looking for a job, you're building a powerful professional brand and opening doors to unparalleled opportunities in the engineering world. Take action today, refine your profile, expand your network, and apply these tactics. Your next great engineering role is within reach.